Guys, welcome to a video inside of Terraria. So we're gonna be playing, on this one I have armor, so let's get it. I found a lot of stuff. I found 2 of that. See, look how much stuff I found. No. Okay, so let's get ready. Ooh. Ouch. Come in over here. Ow. I took that gas. Ow. Ow. Bunny. I wanted to kill you. Die. So how far it went? Yeah, please do something I can cross now. I need to jump a lot of times. Die. 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 So annoying. Die. Both of you guys die. Die. I hate you guys. Die. Die. Sorry. Playing a different person. So Levi's here. Okay. See how much stuff I have in here. I found the only way I had that much stuff because I found 2 golden chests. Cool, thanks. Why would I throw it away? I had to go back up, go to the grabbing cube. Guys, I'm gonna be right back to this one. But I'm just trying to make armor. Oh, I can't because I need that egg. That golden. Also, guys, let's go back to my player number 2. Okay. So let's go. Whoa, what's up? Yeah, the only why I broke that much because I found a lot of stuff. That's why I have this much stuff. Hey, I hate you, bird. Die. Now you go away, right? I've never been in this world. Shotguns in there. I take yes. Die. Die. Kill. 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 Also, I killed that zombie. So, sorry guys, I'm not talking a lot because I'm just trying to concentrate. So, keep on going over there. Yeah, I found a lot of stuff in this world. Hey, no. Oh, yes, I need those stuff. Okay, I need that to get my pickaxe and chop the wood. Chop the wood. but it's not really wood. The insect chopped the wood. So, why? You once I died by a demon die. Yeah, I did once because I died by a demon die. I did because because sometimes you die by a demon die. Because my grandpa had a house has a demon die. Grandpa's house. Grandpa's house. Yes, I'm going to the golden. Going to gold. I'm going to gold. Going to gold. Going to gold. Gonna be somebody. I found gold for you. Yes, I can. Yes, go, I need this. Let me see. Can I see it? I'll check this can hit. No, this get is magical. Kill everybody and get all this gold. It's my gold. It's my gold. I need these gold. Whoa, almost died. Gold. I'm sorry. 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 How did he shoot me? That was crazy. That was so fun, guys. I got my 19 gold. And guys, got that, my power thing. But I don't know if it works. I'm going to keep it there. So, let's keep it there. So, it's almost, oh God. Oh, that's more. No, I don't know what's that. I'm about to go to Grandpa. Got to go to Grandpa. About to go to Grandpa. I'm going to Grandpa. Grandpa. I'm going to Grandpa. Hey, Bunny. You suck. You suck. Bunny. 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 Okay, guys. Don't kill him. I hate you, bird. I can kill you. Die, 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 die. Kill him with that pickaxe. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you alone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Break it. Stop. Demon. You're a demon toy. Hate you, demon die. Demon die. I got my superpowers. How? Killed me? How you killed me? Oh, I lost everything now. Okay, guys. That's the end of the video. Bye. See it. and post it.